KLR, KLR.net, and ASA Pan Scout, the core tools of the unique service and methodology offered by KeneteK. KLR, Knowledge Language Recognition, collects and analyzes source code from mainframe, distributed, and customized environments to produce a comprehensive representation of the knowledge contained in applications according to customer requirements. KLR has the ability of identifying sensitive data, such as cardholder data, inside the customer's applications and consequently mask, automatically or semi-automatically, the sensitive data found. ASA Pan Scout collects and analyzes sequential files in ASCII or EBCDIC to find sensitive cardholder data and the coordinates of where they are located. KLR.net is the user window to the information found and produced by KLR and ASA, giving the customer a simple and intuitive map to where sensitive data is located in its business processes. After logging in, the user is greeted by the platform's homepage and the navigation tree on the left from where the browsing can begin. By navigating to the Impact Analysis view, the user has a clear perception of the consequence that a change to any process would have and evaluate what has to be modified throughout the entire applicative ecosystem to comply with the pci-dss regulations, or whatever the need could be. Moving on to Sequential File View, DSN, the user has access to the list of sequential files analyzed. For each of the files, the user can see information such as the file name, the number of pans found in the file, and how many applications and JCL use the file. When the name of the file is clicked, the list of pan numbers found inside the file itself is shown. Each pan can then be located by the user in his files thanks to the precise coordinates given, offset and row. Selecting the SQL column view, the user is able to identify the columns where sensitive data is stored inside databases. The view shows a list of impacted columns, the table to which they belong, and the SQL operations done on the specific field. By clicking on the name of the table, the user accesses a detailed list of applications that use the field and the actions done. By clicking on the action, the user accesses the program source code. Finally, by navigating to the tokenization dashboard, the user is given guidelines that will help the tokenization of data contained in the customer's business processes, giving KeneteK and its services a key role in the tokenization process. This was a quick walkthrough of the tools and methodologies used by KeneteK in one of the most complex PCI-DSS certification projects. Remember that every single one of the results given and tools used is tailor-made for our customer. We go beyond standards to bring simplicity to your organization. Simplicity is sophistication.